Okay, hi, this is James with the 1HourSmartHome.com, and today we are going to show you the doorbell wiring diagram, how to wire a doorbell, how to fix a doorbell, and what you need to do for that. This will work for smart doorbells like the Ring doorbell or the Nest Hello. This will also just work for standard doorbells. That's what we've got installed right here. So if you want to support us, please subscribe, please like this channel, and click on any links below or visit us at 1HourSmartHome.com if you want to see more videos like this. So what you've got over here, I'm going to start with the transformer. That's what this is. This is a doorbell transformer. It takes high voltage, which is coming from here, which is standard 120 volts, and 120 volts goes into this junction box, and then it goes into this transformer. That transformer transforms the voltage to lower voltage. Anywhere between 16 and 24 volts is really what you need for a doorbell. And that is 24 volts AC, or alternating current, which is the most common voltage used here in America. So you got 120, then it steps down to 16 or 24 volts right here in the transformer. Then you've got two wires that come off the transformer. It really doesn't matter which color you use for each, it just really matters where you wire each wire and how it completes the circuit. So you've got one wire that's going to go from your transformer to the doorbell chime. Okay, and I'm going to zoom in here, and it's very simple because the wire, the terminal you need to put it on, is labeled trans for transformer. So you take one wire, you go from the transformer to the transformer doorbell, transformer doorbell terminal on the doorbell chime. Okay, so then you go from the doorbell chime, you go from the front terminal and wire that in to the front doorbell. Okay, so you can see this wire goes here, one side of the doorbell, and there you go. Why it has a rear doorbell is for those of you that want to wire in two doorbells. If you want a front and rear doorbell or front and side doorbell, you would just wire another wire there. We're not going to get into that too much in this video. We're just going to show you the doorbell wiring diagram for a typical doorbell and how you would wire in, just a smart doorbell like Nest Hello or Ring Pro. So you've got from the transformer, the front door terminal, down to the front door. And then what you need is a return path for the current from the doorbell button back to the transformer. So that's what we've got. We've got one side wired here to the doorbell, and then the other side of the doorbell wired back to the transformer. And now you can see that this works. All right, you just press the button, it works, it's lighted up. Obviously it has power, and we'll just take this screw out so you can see how these are screwed in on the back for a standard doorbell. Oh. Harder to do than I thought with one hand, but there you go. And that is how it is wired onto the back of a standard doorbell. So you've got transformer, doorbell chime, doorbell. And if we were to start at the doorbell, you've got one wire going directly to the transformer. The other wire goes from the doorbell to the front terminal on the doorbell chime. The other wire goes from the transformer terminal on the chime to the transformer, okay? And then what happens there is you've got high voltage coming in, 120 volts, that is then transformed or stepped down to a lower voltage of 16 to 24 volts. So visit us at 1HourSmartHome.com if you want to learn more about smart home automation, you want to learn more about wiring, home improvement, and we're going to be launching a new website, idoitdiy.com, here soon. So please check that out as well. But hopefully this helps you. Let us know if you got any questions or comments in the comment selection below. Thank you.